The fuck? I feel like हमारे साथ कोई joke कर रहा है.
So just today we have these 3 problems at 2 p.m.
Thank you so much.
So we have to double check somewhere.
ठीक है, give us the dates.
No, ठीक है.
That stock entire you need by 25th June in warehouse, which in no situation we are going to be able to do. What is happening to this industry?
Guys, Embrace का close करना है. अभी चौथे packaging के CT चल रहा है. We want to position it for sensitive skin suitability as well. And this is very expensive. So is there a way we can maybe do it at a 5 to 10%?
Shamika, then that will be way below the effective dosage. And if you want it to have that soothing base, Embrace के लिए, then I think we should retain it. I don't think कि formulation में we should be cutting corners.
We then just opt for a tube packaging, like an airless tube.
We can try and source some high quality tubes, but even like retinol is highly reactive with most materials.
Yeah.
So even the tube will not be very lowly priced. It needs to be high quality, high material.
Let's then run tests with pump packaging as well as tube packaging, and then compare where the results are better and where the costs are most optimized. You know, when I started the brand, I didn't need a retinol. Today I do. I have aged, and so this, you know, 30s to 50, the 30 to 50 age group is a primary audience. This is the age to use a retinol. And there's a very beautiful reason why we call it Embrace. Like, aging is a privilege. Aging is amazing. It's a beautiful process that you have to embrace. I think we're at each lab we were there for 9 to 12 months. And then the last lab we've been actually last lab 9 months, and 2 years before that we spent with 2 labs and wasn't working out. Tarana, what is this?
I know.
What the hell? I'm like a little shook right now.
Me too, but we'll sort it out.
Dude, like, message her, ask her for the breakdown.
I think it's a mistake.
It has to be a mistake.
We're coming to you now.
We'll have to price it at 40,000 rupees.
Yeah.
My entire exercise that we moved it from a airless, like a bottle to a tube is to optimize cost, because this is such a great formula. We want to make the price point good, so it's accessible to people. Now, if the formula is more like this, we can't sell it. We were planning to sell it in the 2000s range.
No, we can't.
That's a 2x margin?
Could be lesser
7,
because this is like a lot.
That's 735. So yeah, that is a 2x margin.
Just for the bulk.
Yeah. I feel like हमारे साथ कोई joke कर रहा है. है ना?
नजर लग गई हमका.
See, the thing is, sometimes it is so tempting for, like, easier routes in life are always tempting, right? And it is so, sometimes just like, launch kar do, ab theek hai, just kar do. Yet I'm holding it in R&D. Like, why? Because sometimes, you know, you have to test it not for 10 days but 100 days to find out some loopholes that you otherwise won't find out. I don't know. I can't answer why I do it this way. But
because I think the answer is very easy, because whatever she wants to build, she wants there to be a reason why she's building it.
Yeah.
It's very easy to, you know, put something out in the market, sell it at a low MRP, get it at a cheap cost, sell it at a low MRP. It's very easy, but what is the point of doing that? To answer why she holds things in R&D or why she's so specific about what she wants, number 1, because she knows the value of it, and number 2, because she uses it for so long that she knows it works. So,
or if it doesn't work.
Or if it doesn't work, and then we need to change it. I think it's very fair that we had to change it 3 times. It's very fair that we took 2 years to make it, but because it's going to be that good. There is another delay.
Again.
Yeah, again. And it is because China was closed for the entire month and there had been some payment.
Lunar New Year, like
fucks us every year, man.
We tried to switch the launch which was happening in May, which was Embrace, and we switched it to April instead of, because we were able to get the tubes to be supplied faster. We will have a launch in April. That is something that we're really pushing very hard, but an Embrace is switched.
And just by the way, as we found out yesterday, even our existing products stock is, everything's delayed. Like we are looking at a 15-day window with no stock on our website.
Yeah.
हमारी आधी चीजें due just get jinxed and that's why we are delayed.
Yeah.
पता है देखो जैन में हमको क्या लगा कि किसी ने हमारे ब्रांड की ऐसे ब्लैक डॉल बनाई है और उस पे पिन्स डाले जा रहे हैं.
सही
कोई
में यार. But ठीक है, give us the dates.
नो ठीक है.
Yeah, no, ठीक है.
Shamika, there are a few problems that have come up. Although the ship had already sailed, they've unloaded our stocks. So currently we're trying to locate where the shipment has been offloaded.
What the hell? We don't even know where it's been offloaded.
No. So that is also another delay of 5 to 7 days just to get on the ship in Shenzhen.
Jesus. So everything that was aligned for launch
Yes.
from April onwards is like pushed ahead by 3 days.
Yeah.
Our next big thing. It is nice.
Best-selling product.
Color to bahut. Okay, let's go to first pump. Arushi?
Yummy.
With the launch of Embrace, we're not just launching the product, we're like that our campaign is going to be in 2 parts like we discussed.
Correct,
The first part is simply narration on how we want to change the narrative or the understanding
Perception.
of aging in the
Yeah.
industry, and that needs to be fronted by a face. I do have a couple of names in mind. I think Sana, you had suggested her a while back, but I think we, instead of it becoming like a single face campaign, let us, our base concept is already prepared by you.
Right.
You both, you have the foundation ready. I think if we can dive a little deeper and refine the concept to go into not one phase but age through different decades. If we dive deeper into why is aging feared in every decade,
Correct.
and the flip side, like people who are in 30s onwards, 40s, 50s, how liberating getting old or aging has been. Our product, we very boldly not put anti-aging, we put pro-aging.
Yeah.
So that I think needs to be shouldered with a powerful campaign. Let's go into maybe treating it each decade wise, and we can have one face, Sana, which is who also has embodied this narrative of aging.
Yeah.
You know? You
Lisa.
mentioned Lisa, correct?
Yeah.
I think she very openly has talked about, you know, aging, menopause, and she really does.
And she's very vocal about it on her
Yeah.
Instagram, etc.
And
as
she's
well.
embraced aging in its all
Absolutely.
glory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll quickly tap and understand who her management, etc. is also while we're on it. And and also get production to start looking at other cast and across the decades that we've done. Cool, we can do that. Basically, obviously, context setting, campaign narrative, what we're trying to do here, right? And then the campaign outline about how it's going through decades. Everybody from the 20s to the 60s, like we spoke.
Yeah.
And each sort of juxtaposing, you know, each with the other with their actions. So 20s, I think I finally arrived at this. I know we discussed a lot of options, I showed you also,
Very
but
cool.
I thought this was very cool because you know how they say knitting is a grandma's
Yeah,
activity, that sort
yeah,
of thing. But
yeah.
you tell me if you have thoughts.
No, I think this is exactly what I was also thinking. Like maybe like not the exact activity, but like you know something that an older person would probably want to do.
And some the cleaner also.
Yeah.
The idea was to be able to like kind of bring the changes that you go through and the things that you accept across different decades of your entire life. And what Sana and I were able to like kind of do is just take that and make that into like its own world and its own like kind of environment. Have a narrative and storyline that respects that, not making it too frivolous and not making it something that feels like is forced. We wanted to be very natural, very organic, even with the choices that we are making when it comes to the narrative, like kind of beats that we are taking, the script that we are taking.
Like not another beauty film, basically.
Exactly.
That was the goal. That was always the aim.
Yeah.
And if I have to take you like a little further back, we keep saying product has been in development for the past 2 years, right? I've been trying Embrace for like 1 year. Like I've tried the bottle version of it and now the tube version of it, and then a version that was in between the two, right? So for me also, I started work on the visual or the vision for the campaign way back in 24 actually. And there were some, scribbles on Canva from there, etc. And then the first time I sat with Chandra, I was like, this is what I had done in 24. Obviously, this is how we were envisioning it. It was still pro-aging. It was still, how do we change the narrative around it, right? And then he's like, some of this is nice, we can pick bits and pieces and build something fresher, newer for 2026 for where we are. So yeah, that's how I think all of it sort of came together.
Hi guys, so we are on sets for the shoot of Embrace. This is one of Due's biggest launches, so very, very exciting set today. We have 5-6 models and we're doing a very interesting concept where we are trying to showcase aging through every decade, and the narrative of the campaign is that it's pro-aging, it's not anti-aging.
Amazing. So we're done with our clean catalog shots. We're moving on to the editorial bit. We're starting with Raman. He's almost ready. And I'm super excited because this is the funnest bit of the shoot. And that's our set. It's getting ready. It's getting prepped for art.
All pieces fell into place.
Yes, hopefully.
Yeah?
Yes, we have the last leg to go, but yeah, I think we're good.
Last leg क्या वजह है? ठीक है, assets uploading Monday is fine. QC of text and all, हाँ वो ऊपर नीचे होता है. ठीक है. Social team. Lot of our launch assets जो social पे भी जाने वाले and whatever you all are designing even for carousels and things like that, use them in the launch week for PPC as well. Yeah. Things are moving. We're not in a critical stage, but it feels stressful. But I think once it just gets rolled out in 2 more days, I'll feel better. But I want to be able to revel in this launch because it's actually been 2.5 years in the making, and I want to feel and savor the joy that we're finally launching this product. So I want to take some mind space to feel the moment that yes, the day we're launching Embrace is finally here. But look, we've done a fantastic campaign. The campaign visuals, the messaging, the person who's headlining the campaign, everything's really strong. I'm sure our community is going to love it because this is really for them. So yeah, fingers crossed for Tuesday, it should be good.
Well, first of all, I love the representation, okay? Because we need to put ourselves out there as midlife women. I'm very, very proud to be a part of this. I am all for presenting the best version of myself at this age. I'm not trying to cover up my age. I'm 54 and super proud of it. I'm not trying to be anyone other than who I am today at this moment. I feel like I've earned it. I've earned where I am today at 54, just being okay with everything, being really cool with everything and loving everything. I mean, good on you for doing this, right? For highlighting queenagers, as I like saying it. I love everything about the brand, really. You know, the packaging, the formulations, I think there's a lot of thoughtfulness. And I think it's also like a premium brand that India can be proud of. I am a pro-ager, and for me, Dew sounds like it's really into pro-aging as well.
Have you, Dave? Okay, should I? Yes. Hold on. We're pulling it up to the top of the shop page. Here we go.
Is it live?
Yeah, it's on the top of the shop page. Abhishek, you need that product image. Come on, social.
रुक जाओ, वेट अभी हुआ नहीं है.
Will I?
आ गया? Let's go. क्या करना है? Okay.
No.
Jump, yaar. Just jump.
And then you go inside.